In today's video, how to create split screen in CapCut. Open CapCut and then create a new project, or you can use existing one. Select videos you want to use for split screen effect, click on Add to edit, select the video. Go to the second video in the timeline and click on it. Scroll along the bottom menu until you see Overlay, click on it. Second video will not be placed below first video in the timeline, but above it in the video preview. Place your finger on second video and hold it to adjust position. Move it underneath first video in the timeline, select Overlay video again and click on Blend in the bottom menu. Lower opacity so you can see through it, allowing you to position it correctly. Drag Overlay video in the preview screen to position it as desired. For split screen, you may want to off-center it. Select first video in the timeline and drag it to the left to create split effect. Ensure that both videos are visible in the central part. Select bottom video and increase opacity back to 100%. Keep it selected and scroll along the bottom menu until you see mask option. Click on it and choose horizontal. Use two fingers to rotate mask line and one finger to move it to desired position. Adjust split screen line to achieve perfect split screen effect. Once you are satisfied with positioning, click on checkmark to apply changes. Make any further edits if needed, and then save your project.